Welcome to the Powell, a home that offers everything at an amazing price. Open floor plan with a large kitchen island, suitable for any size gathering. Wi-Fi-enabled garage door opener, NEST thermostats. Full front porch is included in this CRAFTSMAN elevation. This 4-bedroom, 3-foot of walk-in closets, 2.5 bath even has a full finished basement at this price. Huge owner's suite with 2 large walk-in closets and tile surround shower. Building in Oak Brooke is a luxury you want to miss. All homes in Oak Brooke are located on oversized home sites starting at 1/3 acre up to acre. In this community, homes include quartz countertops in the open kitchen, granite vanities in bathrooms, tile floors in the baths and laundry room.